Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Do you really want to learn English and improve your speaking skills? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn many useful daily English sentences. These sentences are easy, simple, and used in real life. So, please practice these sentences with me. Now let's start. My name is Sam. I am a farmer. I live in a small village. My life is simple and quiet. Every morning I wake up early. I wash my face and pray. Then I go to my fields. The air is fresh in the morning. The sun rises slowly. I feel peaceful at that time. Farming is my life. I am not a rich man, but I am an honest man. My land is small. My work is hard. I use simple tools. I work with my hands. Sometimes my body feels tired, but my heart stays strong. I believe in hard work. I believe in patience. This belief gives me strength. Every day is not the same. Some days are good. Some days are very hard. Sometimes rain does not come. Sometimes crops get weak. I feel worried at night. I think about my family. I think about food and money. Still, I do not give up. I sleep with hope. Hope keeps me alive. People sometimes laugh at me. They say farming is useless. They say city life is better. I listen but stay quiet. I do not fight with words. I fight with effort. I trust my land. I trust my work. I say to myself, keep going. My dream is simple. I want a peaceful life. One year was very difficult. The weather was very hot. My crop started to dry. I felt scared inside. I felt helpless. I sat alone in my field. I looked at the sky. I prayed with tears. I did not stop working. I chose hope over fear. After many days, clouds came. The sky became dark. Rain started to fall. I felt very happy. I stood in the rain. My clothes got wet. My heart felt light. The land drank water. The crops looked fresh again. That moment changed my mood. Days passed slowly. My crops started to grow. Green color returned to my fields. I worked day and night. I removed weeds. I checked plants daily. My hands were dirty, but my heart was clean. I smiled while working. I felt proud of myself. Hard work was paying back. Harvest time finally came. This day was very special. I cut the crops carefully. My family helped me. We worked together. We laughed together. The field looked beautiful. Golden crops were everywhere. My eyes filled with tears. These were tears of joy. That day I felt successful. I went to the market. I sold my crops. This time I earned good money. People talked to me with respect. They smiled at me. I stayed humble. I remembered my hard days. Money made life easy. But patience made me strong. Gratitude filled my heart. I helped other farmers. I shared my experience. I told them my story. I said, "Do not lose hope." I said, "Hard days will pass." They listened carefully. They trusted my words. Helping others felt good. It gave me inner peace. I felt useful. This made me happy. I taught my children. I taught them respect. I taught them honesty. I taught them patience. I said work is important. I said never feel ashamed of work. They listened to me. They felt proud of me. I felt proud of them too. Family is true wealth. Love is real success. Life is still not perfect. Problems still come. But my mindset changed. I stay calm now. I face problems bravely. I trust myself more. I know hard times end. I know good days come. This belief gives me peace. I sleep better now. I am just a farmer. I wear simple clothes. I eat simple food. But my heart is rich. My life has meaning. My work feeds people. My land gives life. This makes me proud. I do not need fame. I do not need big dreams. Simple life is enough. Many people feel lost. Many people feel weak. I want to say one thing. Do not quit too early. Do not doubt yourself. Small steps matter. Daily effort matters. Patience matters most. Believe in your journey. Your time will come. Keep moving forward. This is my story. I am Sam the farmer. My life taught me a lesson. Hard work never fails. Patience always wins. Hope keeps us alive. Faith makes us strong. If I can do it, you can too. Never give up on life. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching till the end.